Hi guys, this is Sassy Shif says. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about my top 5 most favorite organic and Ayurvedic products from Just Herbs. Just Herbs is that one brand that I honestly adore, look up to, and so many of their products are holy grails for me, and I've been using this brand for the longest time now. Before I got pregnant, throughout my pregnancy, and even postpartum after my delivery, this is that one brand that I totally trust and I have been using for the longest time now. So the first product that I need to have on me at all times, whether I'm traveling, it's in my makeup bag, whether I'm going out, it's in my purse, it's on me at all times. I'm also wearing it beneath all my lipsticks. It's this product by Just Herbs, their Coorgi Coffee Lip Balm. It's again like all of their products, it's paraben free, it has no minerals. It has a very lightweight and smooth texture, so it settles on your lips. It doesn't feel like you're wearing a heavy cakey layer of lip balm, and it works brilliantly underneath all your lipsticks too. I love the way this lip balm smells, and since it has coffee extracts in it, it has antioxidant and detoxifying properties which will instantly hydrate and nourish your lips. My lips feel super smooth and soft, and I just can't do without using this one. I have to start my day by applying this lip balm. My second most favorite product by Just Herbs is this extremely lightweight and moisturizing day lotion. It's called Cascade, and it's absolutely amazing from normal to dry skin. And if you're looking for a non-sticky formula that'll do wonders when it comes to nourishment and moisturizing, but also will act as a brilliant base for your makeup, then Cascade is your go-to, my friend. Since it has aloe vera, then you know that your skin is going to be really hydrated, and it also has wheat germ, which means another boost of antioxidant on your skin. It also gets absorbed into deepest layers of your skin. So you know that you're investing in a product which is going to take care of so many skin concerns, starting from the right way to nourish and moisturize, and it also will prevent breakouts. So this for me is like a must have. It's a holy grail product. The third most favorite product, and which is a must have, and I can't do without it because every single time I bathe, in the morning, in the night, I follow it up by using this body butter. This is the Just Herbs Mace Moringa Rejuvenating Body Butter. And Moringa in Ayurveda holds such a special place because it has so many health benefits, skin benefits, and it is truly a wonder plant. And in this particular body butter, you will have oil extracted from the seeds of Moringa plant, and it has just suited my skin type so brilliantly. I have a combination of oily to dry patchy to really super sensitive skin, and this body butter works magic every single time. And since this product is also rich in omegas 3 and 6, which means your skin will retain moisture, and it will also be beneficial for anti-aging. It's like all their products, this product too has no parabens, this has no mineral oil, and it has 100% herbal actives, which means nothing but goodness in a jar for you. Ta-da-da! The fourth most favorite and go-to product from Just Herbs is this Resurfacing Body Polish Scrub, which contains wild Indian rose, oatmeal, and cane sugar. And oh my god, this again suits all skin types, which is brilliant. And this takes me back. It brings back so many beautiful childhood memories because my nanny used to use oatmeal and cane sugar and other kitchen ingredients and make her own body scrub, face scrub, and it did wonders. It worked so beautifully on my face and hers, and I seriously think that till date I've never seen anyone's skin glow so beautifully than hers. Both my grandmoms actually had beautiful skin, and when I used this body polish scrub for the first time, it really brought back those memories. Like, it's just today that I've made that scrub with my nanny, scrubs and masks. So this is as close you can get to having one of the most earnest, one of the most natural, and one of the most organic Ayurvedic body polish scrubs out there. And it'll not only cleanse, exfoliate, but give you really glowing and healthy natural skin. This product is rich in vitamin E and C. It'll stimulate collagen, help in soaking excess oil from the skin, acts as a natural antioxidant, but also same time repair and rejuvenate the skin. Personally, I've seen wonders when I've been using this product. I've been using it for the longest time now. I've restocked it like thrice already. It'll take care of your natural pH balance of your skin and it'll also protect your skin from sun damage. The fifth and the last product that I absolutely can't live without from Just Herbs is this lip and cheek tint in the shade 05 Soft Nude. This is such an everyday wear shade, and it not only takes care of your lips but also your cheeks. So you have two in one product. It glides on so softly, so smoothly. My cheeks have a natural flush and my lips have this everyday wearable beautiful soft nude, which is perfect nude, and it suits so many different skin types. I feel like this is particularly created keeping in mind the rich and variety of Indian shades that we have. It suits anyone and everyone. This is really for keep, and this can be used as an everyday wear. This can be used for special occasion if you're going bold in the eyes. Also, this color, I feel, even though nude, is ultra chic, and I cannot live without this color. This is my ultimate go-to color. This screams Sassy, Shif says. Also, if you've used this lip and cheek tint, you'll know how lightweight it is. It gives you a very buildable sheen, and I love the fact that it is long lasting. I've been using this color since morning, literally, and I've needed like just one touch up. It's that amazing, and I love the fact that it's so easy to blend with. So if you are new to makeup and if you're not really sure, I don't know how I'll be able to blend my blushes or if I'll be able to apply my lipsticks properly, invest in this baby. The color is perfect and you can just build the color up just using your fingertips with the warmth of your fingers. It just blends in naturally. It has like a buttery smooth finish. I can't stop raving about this product. It's that good. So guys, that is it for today from me. If you like more such amazing videos, then please make sure you keep coming back right here on my YouTube channel, Sassy Shif Says. And before you go, I'm going to try and link in all these 5 products that you saw in the description below so that you can go ahead and check it out for yourself. And before you go, don't forget to use the special discount code Shifa15 given by the good folks from Just Herbs. That'll save you flat 15% if you're shopping from Just Herbs website. The code is SHIFA15. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave in the comments below which is your favorite Just Herbs products and why. I'd love to use what you like, or if I've never used before, the products that you think I should review, I would love to buy and review it for you. Until next time, guys.